thing, security is at file level. Can you give password? Yes. If you click save as, file save as, any location you choose, that is not possible because connection no longer exists. Okay. Let me take, where is desktop? It is gone. Yeah. I'm taking any location. Here, if you click here, tools and general option, it allows you to provide password for open also and for modify also. Both are separate password. If you only provide password for open, people while opening it will ask password. If you provide only password for modify, it will open the file, but to make any changes, it will ask the password. Let me just give a demo. Here I am typing ABC, here I am typing XYZ. See, don't use such password that you remember. If you will forget, there are ways, but it is complicated ways to get the data back. Okay, once you forget the password. Let me click OK. Again, I need to write the password. Password for open ABC, password for modify XYZ. Once I save this file on desktop, and if I try to open this file, somewhere it will be saved. If I try to open, it will be something, it should ask a password. Wait, let me just close it because dashboard is here. I saved it. It should ask a password. Why it didn't ask a password before opening? Yep, see, dashboard is protected. I must provide password to open it. So password was ABC, click OK. And to edit also, I can click read only. I can check the data, but I cannot edit. If you want to edit, you can you provide the second password for modifying. Done. So that is at file level security. Second thing is, let me open any blank file. Second level security is you can do it by, see, by default, every cell is protected. If you check some cell, control 1, in a protection, it is already locked. So every cell, that is a default behavior of Excel. Every cell is locked. Okay. But why this effect is not coming? Until you do protect your worksheet, that effect will not come. If you protect your worksheet, to protect worksheet, you can right click, protect sheet. Either you can give password. Let me give a password ABC, click OK. Again ABC, click OK. Now what happens? I cannot write here because by default, every cell is protected. Okay, by default, it is locked. But it was not in effect until I protect my worksheet, right? So if I protect my worksheet, now to write somewhere in cell, I need to unprotect the sheet by providing option ABC. Yeah, now I will be able to write anywhere. So you need to understand this. Now assume that certain range you want to allow. So you want to allow this range, people should be able to write. What you will do, control 1, protection, you will remove locking. Click OK. And now when you will protect the sheet, maybe ABC, ABC, this cell I will be able to write. Other cells I will be not able to write. See, ABC I can write here, but I cannot write outside. It will give this error message, right? So what I did, I just do control 1, that default protection of that cell. I just removed it. Let me unprotect this ABC. Okay. So I select the cell, control 1, default protection, I removed, right? So this is little bit confusing, but remember that every cell is locked. But to make it enable, you need to protect your worksheet. The same concept applies. You want that in this range, people should be able to write, but if they have a password, that also you can do. Like in this range, I go to the review, there is a allow edit range. So this much range, this is the range. I can give some name and I can give password. Only for this range, I am giving password XYZ. Again XYZ. Okay. But after clicking OK, it may not work. Still I will be able to write here. Reason behind, the cell protection and edit range protection will not take effect until you protect your worksheet. ABC, ABC. I did it. Okay, now I will be, if I try to write here something, it will ask me the password to edit this range only. Okay, but that will take effect only when you protect the sheet. So you need to remember the and cell and this edit range will only be work when you will protect the sheet. Okay, now I can write here XYZ and I will be able to write here something. So that is the protection in Excel file. Fine. You can unprotect sheet from here also, or you can unprotect or protect the sheet by right clicking on sheet also. Both options are available.